Hey guys, it's Dating Mike back with another amazing product to show you today from the 360 LED company. This is the LandscapeStation 144 watt RGBW LED square wall washer light. This was designed right here in the USA in Fayetteville, North Carolina. The 360 LED company supplies amazing LED lights to all sorts of businesses and companies, also in the entertainment fields. Their lights display beautiful colors. This square wall washer light is IP65 waterproof. It has a die-cast aluminum housing, very heavy duty, has tempered glass. The LEDs can last up to 100,000 hours of use. Comes with this little bag. It has some tools in it and a little instruction manual. This light is adjustable. You can adjust the angle and also it turns. I'll show you how that works. Comes with 3 different size hex wrenches. This LandscapeStation wall washer light is very simple to use. Just plug and play, and it comes with a remote control. No need to hook up any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth for this light. Just use the handy remote control. It has 8 levels of adjustable brightness. Has 4 lighting modes: flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. And here you have the RGB, which stands for red, green, and blue, and then all other colors in between. And you have your on, off, and the 5000K bright white button. So this amazing light also has a memory function. When you turn it off and turn it back on later, it remembers the mode that it was on before. So you can see this, you can tilt this light up or down, and you can turn it. And this is mountable. There are 4 screw holes on each corner. This can be mounted on a deck, or you can even mount it on your ceiling, pretty much anywhere. So this measures 12.2 inches wide, 6.5 inches deep, and 9 inches high. So just an amazing light. So there's just one thing to do. When it gets dark outside, I'm going to hook this up and see what kind of amazing colors this LandscapeStation wall washer light can make. Okay, so here we have the plain white, the bright white, RGB, red, green, blue, I really like this light, and I like the smooth mode. Switches smoothly from each color. So there you go, guys. You can see it creates beautiful colors, some amazing modes. I really love this light. So please check out this 360 LED square LED wall washer light from 360 LED.